Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back in Louisiana, and in this short video we'll be documenting the Belle Chasse Tunnel, one of only 3 tunnels in Louisiana. This leaky underwater tunnel was built starting in March 1954 to accommodate the new branch of the Intracoastal Canal. After nearly 2 years of construction, the $2.4 million structure opened in February of 1956, with the canal beginning operations later that year. The politicians in Plaquemines Parish chose to construct a tunnel as opposed to a drawbridge, as to enable continuous flow of traffic. According to engineers in various 1956 issues of the Plaquemines Gazette, the tunnel was the first fully automatic underwater tunnel in the world, as it did not require any operating personnel. The tunnel has ventilation machinery that automatically changes the tunnel's air every 2 minutes, with automatic generators taking over if the machinery fails. The tunnel was the primary means of carrying traffic to and from Belle Chasse in West Bank Plaquemines Parish. Since its opening, hazardous cargo is prohibited from traveling through the tunnel, and numerous additional regulations and restrictions have been enforced. Traffic counts soon overwhelmed the tunnel, and in 1967, construction of the Judge Perez Bridge, a vertical lift bridge, commenced, and that structure opened in 1968 to serve northbound traffic, and whenever the tunnel is closed for maintenance, southbound traffic. We'll see that on the way back. On June 5, 2018, the Times-Picayune announced that the aging tunnel and bridge were slated for replacement after a federal grant was awarded for $45 million. The project's total cost is estimated at $122 million, with an additional $38 million in federal funding. The remaining $39 million will be funded by tolls on the new bridge. We conclude our drive here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.